Hi everyone, Tyler here with VEX V5, the robotics platform designed for STEM students to help them develop crucial problem-solving and engineering skills that'll prepare them for the real world. VEX V5 is the highest level of our pre-K through college continuum, focusing on classroom and competition solutions that provide a low barrier of entry as well as high enough ceilings to allow even the most experienced students to grow their STEM and career readiness skills. VEX V5 is metal-based with bolt-together steel and aluminum parts to create any mechanism. Students can begin at any level and move to more advanced engineering concepts as they explore and challenge their robotic designs and programs. The V5 Classroom Starter Kit comes with everything you need to get your students started through the hands-on building of the V5 Clawbot. It includes the steel, hardware, and the tools required to complete the build. Once they've done so, connecting the V5 brain to the V5 controller allows them to wirelessly download and drive their robot. VEX V5 also incorporates coding using the free VEX Code V5 app for desktops, laptops, Chromebooks, and tablets. Here, students are able to easily create code sequences using drag-and-drop blocks, Python, or C++ programming language. The VEX Code app includes instructional resources written by educators in a form both teachers and students will grasp with ease. V5 also has a more advanced coding tool called VEX Code Pro that mimics the interface and tools found in industry-standard development environments. This allows students full control over the V5 platform while programming in C++, all while gaining industry-applicable experience. After your students have created their robot, you can take their learning experience to the next level by incorporating VEX V5 STEM Labs. These are free activities and lessons designed to make STEM education fun and meaningful to your students by challenging them to complete a task using what they've learned. The best part is that these supplemental lessons are designed to work alongside your existing curriculum, so your students will never miss a beat. If your students are looking to take their robotic skills even further, the V5 Competition Super Kit is perfect for them to supercharge their robot to compete in the VEX Robotics Competition, held every year by the REC Foundation. In it, teams from all over the world machine a robot that can excel within a game's rules and regulations to score as many points as possible. These competitions ignite students' competitive spirit while also exposing them to valuable soft skills like communication, collaboration, and time management in a fun and authentic way. For educators, VEX also offers a free online professional development course for you to deepen your knowledge in robotics and coding. By completing this course, you'll be equipped with all the tools you need to empower your students and become a leader in STEM and innovation within your community. To learn more about incorporating VEX V5 into your classroom, as well as the VEX Robotics Competition and professional development, visit getstarted.vex.com. VEX V5 provides a worthwhile opportunity for you and your students to develop 21st century STEM skills wherever you are. Empower the STEM leaders of tomorrow with VEX V5.